Let's talk about gauge kits for 9906 GM full-size trucks from New Vintage USA. You want to upgrade the looks? Maybe your old cluster is failing? Maybe you're running an aftermarket PCM and your gauges just don't work with that PCM anymore. No problem. New Vintage USA is up to the task of upgrading the looks, features, and style of your cluster for your 9906 GM full-size trucks. Installing in the factory location is as easy as pulling off the factory bezel, unbolting the original cluster and unplugging, running a few wires, plugging in snap adapt, bolting the cluster back in, and popping the bezel back on. That's all there is to it. It's just that easy. Our kits require no modifications whatsoever to the dash at all. All New Vintage kits are compatible with the GM PCM. Gas, diesel, 4x4, or two-wheel drive, it doesn't matter. And using the exclusive snap adapt, you don't have to splice into the harness. Simply hook up the appropriate wires, plug them in, and off you go. Everything you need is included in the kit, from the mounting bezel, the gauges, amp plugs, temp sender, pressure sender, bushing kits, our exclusive LS bushing kit, and the snap adapt. That's the key to making it all work. Be sure to check out our full install video documenting the entire process from start to finish. You won't believe how easy this is to install on your truck. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE military and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push the performance over the top. Wiring is simplified by using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive system that reduces wiring time by 75%, saving time and dramatically decreasing installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available. Even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good from the back as they are from the front. You can simplify things even more by using our Snap Adapt plug-and-play harness for an even easier installation by plugging directly into the OE harness plug. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.